in a private street of just 7 homes, this freestanding Torrens title double brick home boasts 3 bedrooms of accommodation, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage in a location that is just footsteps to Waitara Public, Waitara Station and the increasingly popular Wahroonga village. Welcome to 2 Deakin Way, Wahroonga. This property certainly has something for everybody with its outdoor entertaining areas, open plan living, fully renovated kitchen and bathrooms, and its choice of 2 masters. With its versatile floor plan, easy care gardens and living, and its super convenient location, this property certainly has something for everybody, especially at its accessible price guide. I can't wait to show you through.